Part 2. Placing objects and preparing your world. Before we begin writing the code for our world, we must place the objects in the world where we would like for them to be. We can use commands such as move to make this process easier. To begin, click the Add Objects button below the World window. Before we begin placing the objects, use the scroll bar at the bottom of the screen and scroll right until you see the Shapes folder. Inside this folder, find and add the object titled Cone. Use the Move Objects Freely tools at the right of the screen to place the cone behind the igloo, out of sight. Now, right-click on Eskimo Girl 2 in the object tree. Select Methods, Eskimo Girl Move To, and Farmhouse. This will move Eskimo Girl 2 to the center of the farmhouse. Next, repeat the same process for Eskimo Girl 3. Now, using the pointer tool, click on the snowman. While holding down the mouse button, move the snowman backwards and to the right, in front of the right edge of the farmhouse window. Next, we need to move the snowballs to their places. Right-click on Sphere, select Methods, Sphere Move To, and then Igloo. Now, do the same for Sphere 2 and Sphere 3. Move Sphere 2 to the snowman. Move Sphere 3 to the igloo. Remember to write down where you place the spheres. This will come in handy later when you are writing the code for your world. Finally, we want to move Eskimo Girl to the sphere that will be the bottom of the snowman. Use the pointer tool and move Eskimo Girl in front and just to the right of the sphere. In the object tree, click on Sphere Spore and rename it to Bottom of Jack. Right-click on Eskimo Girl in the object tree. Select Methods, Eskimo Girl Turn to Face, and then Bottom of Jack. This will turn her to face Bottom of Jack without having to use the Turn tool. Now, look to the left of Eskimo Girl in the object tree. Click on the plus sign to extend the subparts of Eskimo Girl. Right-click on Right Upper Arm. Select Methods, Right Upper Arm Roll, Right, and then Other. When the calculator function appears on the screen, type in 0.15. This will lower the right arm. Now, right-click on Left Upper Arm. Select Methods, Left Upper Arm Roll, Left, and then 0.15. This will lower the left arm. These instructions are relative to the project Snowy Evening. The placement of objects and data values may be changed to suit your individual preferences. However, please remember that if you change the placement of objects or data values in one area, you may need to change other parts of the code to accommodate for your changes.